Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix lots of the fallen game not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, low FPS or stuttering issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you just have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. These are all the required specs, minimum as well as recommended. Make sure your PC have all of these required specs and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA named users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings and here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So let me search for the game over here. If you cannot find the game is listed over here. If you cannot find it, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next, to rename or delete config folder. So what you have to do is simply press Windows plus R and type app data. So Windows plus R and type app data, press OK. This will open local folder. So after that, here you have to search for the game folder. So go below, here is the game folder, here is the saved folder, here is the config folder. You have to delete it, but you can keep a copy of it. So simply make a copy of it and paste it somewhere else, and after that delete this config folder, and after deleting this, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to update Windows. So make sure Windows is up to date. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Select it, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, then come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, here you have to click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again, so confirm it. After that, log into Steam and after that try to launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to delete easy anti-cheat folder. So reinstalling the easy anti-cheat can help to fix the problem. So what you have to do is just open Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Here you can see easy anti-cheat folder. So what you have to do is you just have to delete the folder. So after deleting the easy anti-cheat folder, you have to again go back to Steam where your game has been installed and under library section select your game, now right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So doing this process, it will reinstall the easy anti-cheat files and folders once again and restore the missing files, and after that you can check if the game is opening or not. Next is to update system BIOS. So for that, you have to first check your motherboard model. After that, visit its support page and download the latest BIOS. And after that, follow the official instructions for BIOS flushing. Once done, restart your system and then test the game. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option. Search for Task Manager. Now under background processes tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. So you simply have to select them, and after selecting it, right click on it, click on end task. So this will close the app that is running in the background. After doing this, try to launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. The website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it. Click on yes. Wait for some time. Once you get setup successful message over here, close this. After that, restart your PC once, and after that, log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable antivirus. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it, and after that, try to launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. Next is to switch game to SSD from HDD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then also you can suffer from various types of issues while playing the game. So you must check if the game is installed on SSD or not. Just go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on storage, and here you will find whether the game is installed on SSD or not. So in my case, the game is not installed on SSD, so here you have to move the game to SSD. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on Get Icon beside username, click on General, and here switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options. Next solution is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after you add the game to the list, click on the arrow icon. After the game is added, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. But if the issue continues, then you are suggested to reinstall Lords of the Fallen game once again. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from our PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally reinstall Lords of the Fallen game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or not.